Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add an animated Mac-style dock on your Windows 11 PC. For this, I will use a Freeware application that is known as RocketDock. It is fully compatible with Windows 11. All you need to download and install this one application or on your PC that I have already done. After that, double click on the setup file to launch the application, and like this you will find on the top of the screen a few applications will be by default will be docked, and you can customize it according to your needs. For this, move your cursor to the dock and right click on the free space. Here you can select dock settings. To customize it, you can go through several options like change icon, capacity, position of the dock, left, right. You can move to the left, right, bottom, top. It also supports multi-monitor. If you have more than one monitor, you can set up it here. You can change the style of the dock, behavior, etc. After to after For more customization, suppose you want to add any application to this one dock, just select it and move to the dock, and it will be pinned to the dock. And by clicking on this, you can always open the application, and in case you want to remove any application that are already docked but you don't love to see there, just select it and drag it to the desktop. Like this you can remove from dock any application from your dock. Here you can also see this dock settings. Like this you can use. After doing the several customization, you can lock the items that will fix the dock position and its applications. That means you can't add or remove any application from your docked menu. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.